Good afternoon. This is Diane and Randal Breaux coming to you from Prescott, Arizona, our favorite little mountain town that we retired to about 7 years ago.
No, we not retired. We work.
Well, true.
We moved here.
We moved here.
Yeah, we retired from parenthood.
I think it's just wishful thinking.
Yeah, I think you're right. We retired from parenthood. We did do that. We had been empty nested. So
we started a whole new chapter.
Whole new chapter here.
And here we are.
And here we are.
In Prescott, Arizona, and loving every minute of it.
That's right. Now, one of the things we wanted to talk about today is sight unseen.
Yep.
So this is when people put an offer on a home that they have not physically seen.
Mm-hmm.
And this is controversial. A lot of sellers don't like it, with good reason.
Yes.
It's not a rule that's etched in stone, though. So that's why we wanted to talk about it.
Yeah. So a lot of folks are out of state, and they see a house. They identify a house on MLS. They're like, "Oh my gosh, this house looks really interesting," and they give us a call. What are your thoughts? And what we always do is we say, you know what, let us go preview it for you. We will do a walkthrough video that makes you feel like you're standing right next to me walking through the house. Just like if you had an appointment, you were local. Then we send it to him, we edit it, Randal sets it to music, he does a voiceover, and we send it to you. At that point, if you still are really interested, then we suggest, let's put an offer in and you get down here as fast as you can so you can see it in person.
Yeah.
So most of the times people love the video. They're like, wow, I think only one time somebody said, no, I changed my mind. Most of the time we have sold many, many houses sight unseen in person.
Yeah. Particularly if people have already been to Prescott.
Absolutely.
And we coach people on this.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, we know that if you haven't been here, you really don't know the neighborhoods, you want to make an offer based on a video, we're going to try to dissuade you.
Yeah.
But if you know the neighborhood, you've been here, you've selected, I want this neighborhood in Prescott Lakes, I want a view,
I want to be in a gated community.
I want to be in a gated community, blah, 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 and you've seen all these things before. With our video, it's kind of like having been there.
Absolutely.
But a lot of, I can't say a lot because it used to be during COVID, they would say if they haven't physically been in the house, we're not going to take the offer. And in part, that was just because every home was getting like 30 offers. So you're trying to come up with any excuse at all to cut people out. Mm-hmm. Now it's more of a buyer's market, and seller agents have learned, well, maybe we should think about this. Once you go under contract with the house, the first thing that happens is the inspection period. Mm-hmm. Inspection period is 10 days. So as a seller, you're on the hook for 10 days. Mm-hmm. The worst that can happen is you go 10 days and then they say, no, I really don't want the house. And then you don't get the earnest money. I guess during COVID, people were being very aggressive. I heard a story, someone had never been to Prescott before, put an offer in a house sight unseen. They went under contract, the inspection period starts, and then she finds out that it snows here. I didn't know it snowed in Prescott.
I didn't know it snowed here. I can't move there.
Yeah, so I understand from the sellers and seller agents, listing agents' point of view, you have to be responsible about this.
And we are quite responsible. We communicate very much everything, all that Prescott, what it's about, what the town is like, what the weather is like. We're very communicative. So if you get a sight unseen offer from us, it's going to be a good one. People are completely educated on what they're getting into. Then they have 10 days. They hurry up and get down here. They look at it. And then usually, I think I had one person back out. Usually we go to, people are like, I do love it.
Which is,
let's make it happen.
People who, they come, they see the house, they're in the house, they love the house. They put their their tent in the house and stay there for 3 days. And then during the inspection period, they still bail out. It happens. There's a certain percent for whatever reason, whether it's buyer's cold feet or a loan issue or it doesn't inspect out well. Mm-hmm. There are any number of reasons why something could fall out.
That's right.
Our percentage of people who do sight unseen offers that fall out is about the same as our buyers who have been in the homes. Mm-hmm. And that's just because we are very responsible, what's the word I'm looking for?
Agents?
We understand
Due
the
diligence.
issue. Due diligence, yeah.
Due diligence.
We try really hard not to bring people's bad offers. It's not good for
That's right.
you. It's not good for your seller. It's not good for us. And in the end, it's not good for our buyers either.
That's right.
Yeah.
So if you're thinking I'm out of town, how am I supposed to do this? If I see a house, I'm going to miss out on it. We'll help you through that process.
Yes, we will.
We will completely educate you. We will video for you. We'll talk to you. We'll go through each stage of it. And then, we'll try to write up a contract so you can get down here and it won't be sold from underneath you. So we work really hard to make that happen for you. So don't think, how will I ever achieve this?
Yeah.
It's doable.
It's certainly doable. One thing you can do, if you're on our website, you can look around for our property videos. You can kind of see the style of videos that we do. And I mean, we walk through the home with the camera. It's like walking through the camera slow. Yeah. And, people really feel like they have seen the home once they've seen it. So,
I agree.
Yeah.
All right, so that's it. So if you're thinking, how will I achieve this and I'm long distance, we'll make it happen.
Yeah,
Captain?
we've done this before. We know what we're doing.
We know what we're doing. we know a few tricks of the trade.
Tricks of the trade.
We're going to make it happen and try to make it as stress-free as possible for you.
Absolutely.
Okay, so that's our deal with sight unseen. Don't be afraid of sight unseen.
Yes, whether you're a buyer or your seller. Sight unseen, particularly if it comes from the Pickle Lady.
That's right.
Yeah.
We're going to try hard.
We will.
Okay, my friends, that is our tip for the day, and we sure hope you're having a beautiful day out there. Take care. Bye.